Have a nice day everyone. Today we are talking about something that has been a problem for everyone in Adobe Photoshop. That is the trial date expired. To solve this we need to buy Adobe Photoshop. Otherwise you need to crack this software. But it can be a virus risk to our computer. Today we don't do risky work like crack. Instead, there is another successful method in this video. So let's go to the video. As you can see, you will see that my trial has expired. Okay, let's fix that. Okay, now go to local disk C on your computer. Now go to Program Files, Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. Open the AMP file there. When you go to the bottom of that file, there is a 2 KB size file called Application. Now click and cut and paste to desktop. Right-click on that application file and click Open with Notepad. Now see that there is a little long number called Trial Serial Number. Okay, this is it. Now remove the last digit of that number and add another digit. Example, I changed the number to 24. Okay, now save it. Click File, Save for that. Now click this application file and cut and paste to C. Program Files, Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 AMT. Click Continue and close folder. Okay, done. Now let's open Photoshop 2018. Now you will get an interface like this. Now you can see one called Sign In Later. Click it. See, now your trial date has been reset. So this is the right way to use Photoshop without buying it. Now click Start Trial. Now you can use Photoshop as usual. Okay, so the video is over for today. If the video was important, please like and subscribe to the channel.